Hiya, this is Adam from AM Web Design and Digital Marketing, generating more leads, more clients, and more profits for your business online. So if you run paid ads to your business and you're finding that they are not converting very well, you're not getting the return on investment that you're expecting for the amount of adverts that are being sent out, then you're probably making a very, very simple error. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that error is, because it's the same error that over 90% of businesses are making with their digital advertising. Okay, so if you want to watch the video, make sure you stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. As I said, what we're going to be looking at is the biggest mistake that a lot of companies are making when it comes to their digital advertising online. Okay, so we're going to look at why your ads are not converting. So we'll go across and I'll run a few examples here. I'm going to go into Google. Now Google's area related, so it'll throw up adverts that are related to your local area. So what we're going to use for this example is emergency boiler repair. So you've got a broken boiler and you need help pretty fast. Okay, so you've clicked on one of these adverts that are out there. Okay, and then what is happening is you're going from this advert on Google straight to your website. And the problem is the websites do not match these adverts. So the person who lands on them, lands there, realizes it's not what they're looking for, boom, and they click away and they're going somewhere else. That's cost you £3, £4, £5 to get that advert, that customer through, that potential client, and you've just wasted your money because you haven't done anything with it. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple of examples. I haven't clicked on the adverts here because they get charged, but I've done the research so I know which ones are doing it. So if we go through one of these adverts, and then what would happen is you would land on something like this. But you need an emergency boiler repair. So if you can tell me what on earth this has to do with emergency boiler repair. It doesn't. And that is the problem. They've got so much information going on that you're not going to use it. The person's going to land and go, oh, that's not what I'm after, and they're going to click out. They don't even know, and that's cost this company money. Here, plumbers in Newcastle, we install, repair, replace and more. There's no call outs. You've got a phone number there, a couple of little pictures, bit on there, all their services that they do, you know, repairs, boiler repairs, central heating services, but nothing that's making you jump out and do this. And where this best technician is, this is more like just a call generation website. It's not even a proper business as such. Okay, so we'll have a look at this one. B&K Services, they're offering you a free quote, but you've got to fill all this information in. If you're in dire straits and need help, you're not going to sit there and start filling this all in, especially if that's being done on your phone. Okay, and again, it does boilers, heating, plumbing, electrical, building services. You know, and you've got all this information on, and people are just going to leave. They're not going to use this for an emergency situation. They'll just pick up, there's too much information on here. It's offering free quotes, it's not offering really emergency call out services, and it's not going to work. Okay, so this one here, boiler and heating, repairs, maintenance, is still not the best, but it's quite good. Mainly because it's got a big call out up here and the 24-hour heating services, call us on. But it's still not saying emergency boiler repairs, call this number. Okay, so if you look at this one, you land on this one, call 24/7 for immediate service. Just up there, there's the phone number, the area that they serve, and you've got a button here, 24/7 call out, the price of what it is, because this one does a fixed one, and the button there just to click and make a call straight away. And if you don't want to do that, you can go on and you can request a call back. It gives you all the information that you need, but very in a basic format. It's 24/7 emergency, they're experienced, they're local, they've got more experience, ethical services, they can take whatever payments you've got, there's no hidden costs, everybody's qualified, everything like that. And it gives you a very simple bit of social sort of reviews as well to make sure you're happy with what the service is. Here, again, press the call action, request a call back again. Nice and easy and simple. And this is what you're looking to achieve. Anything more than what you've got here isn't going to work. Okay, so this is what you need to be looking to create. Okay, so all these other ones here are not going to convert. These businesses are spending a lot of money on the adverts that they're sending to these web pages, and they're going to get a very low turnover because the advert that they go from Google does not match the website that it lands onto. Okay, and this is where businesses are losing so much money. You need to have a connect. Your advert needs to go direct to a landing page that answers the question that was on that advert. And if you want to go and research this yourself, go and research it. Type in your service, what you offer. Click on some of the adverts, have a look, and you will see that 90% of those adverts there go to a website that doesn't offer what it's actually advertising. It's just going to a general website with tons and tons of services. People get on there, they get confused, and they flick away. Okay, so if you want help sorting this out, give me a call. If you want to know how to build landing pages very quickly, you could literally, for every single service you have, you could be creating a landing page that has a purpose-built ad set that goes with it, so that you know the stuff that you're sending out is going to convert and is going to turn into leads and clients, and you're going to stop wasting and throwing your money away. Okay, underneath the video here or in the post wherever I'm going to put this video, you will have a connection so you can go and get a free website, mini website. This is just a basic one that's been designed, but you can literally get hold of this, go in, make the changes, make it relevant to your business and your services, and get this fired out, and then just turn it into adverts that are actually going to make you money. To build this, it's very simple, and like I said, I'll give you a free template and the training to go and do it. It's dead easy and dead simple to do. Okay then, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just click the subscribe button, because I'm releasing these on quite a regular basis. Or if you want to, give me a call or drop me an email, and I can help your business start turning your ad spend into actual leads rather than just disappearing into nothing and you getting charged a fortune. Okay, so it's Adam from AM Web Design and Digital Marketing, generating more leads, more clients, and more profits for your business online.